Welcome to this video on how to do batch printing, where you can choose the views that you want and then you can click on print preview batch printing and just print those all out, and it will just print out all the, the different views that you're wanting, and it will send them straight to your printer without you going to each view and doing it. So the first thing that you would do is you need to name the views that you've got. So for instance, this is the perspective that I want to print out, and you would click on your eyeball at the top, and then you would go into your name views and go to File and create a new name view and choose it, let's say perspective 2, press OK, and then what you would do is you can go to the different views that you want. So let's go to elevation, right click and go elevation, and you've got to get a named, you've got to get a render setting. So if you're wanting wireframe, you would click on wireframe, otherwise it will give you trouble in your batch printing. So once you've done you've clicked on the render setting that you want, you can go down to define, you can choose a new one, and you can click on elevation 3 and click OK. Now you would go to another elevation, and it's in wireframe again, as the render setting says, and you can name it, go to define, name it number 4, press OK, and lastly you would right click and go to plan, and again here you would change it to render setting from undefined to wireframe, which it is at the moment, and you would name it. So you would right click, define, give it a new name, you can go to plan 2, press OK, and then from here you can go to edit and user preferences, and this is where you would go to sort out your batch printing. You'll notice on the left is all your different preferences, and at near the top, about the fourth one down, is batch printing. You click on batch printing and you would click on a new batch name that you want. So let's say print 1, click OK, and then it will ask you what you're wanting. So I'm going to remove all these, and let's choose, I'm going to go perspective 2, I'm going to add that in, I'm going to go plan 2, add that in, elevation 3, add that in, elevation 4, add that in. So there's your 4 that you want. So you click on OK, and that's the Maxima one that we've done. You can do this one as well if you wanted a different one. So plan 2, add, you can also double click on it and it will put it across, and there they all are. So there's our 2 that we've got there. Now you would click OK, and now you've got your batch printing sorted out. Now you can go File at the top, and you can go Print Preview Batch Printing. You can click on that, click on the print 1, click on Preview, and it would give you your views and your previews on your batch printing. It will give you all that, and you can just click on Print, and it would print out all of them for you. So here you'll notice it's still progressing, and it will give you your perspective view now. Okay, there's our plan view. All the other ones you can click on next page, and it would give you the elevation views and the perspective views. And you can just click on print at the top, and it will print out all 4 of those pages for you at once. Thank you very much for listening to this video.